Welcome! Today, we're diving into an important Instagram feature that helps you keep track of your account's security. How to view email changes on Instagram. Whether you want to confirm if your email address has been updated or just keep an eye on your account activity, Instagram makes it easy to check this information right from the app. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu or hamburger icon. From the menu, select Your Activity. This section is where Instagram stores a detailed log of your account actions, giving you insight into what's been happening with your profile over time. Next, tap on Account History. Here, you'll find a timeline of important changes made to your account, including password changes, username updates, and most importantly for today, email changes. To narrow down the list and focus specifically on email updates, tap the Filter by Updated Type option. A menu will appear, and from there, select Email. This filters the activity log to show only the changes related to your email address. Finally, tap Apply to see the filtered results. Now you'll be able to view all the recent email changes made on your Instagram account, along with the dates when those changes occurred. This feature is incredibly useful for monitoring your account's security and making sure no unauthorized changes have been made. If you ever notice an email change that you didn't authorize, it's a good idea to immediately update your password and review your security settings. That's it. With just a few taps, you can stay informed about your Instagram email history and keep your account safe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back regularly to stay on top of your account activity.